So thanks to Apple for starting the trend of removing the headphone jack, we got so many amazing quality of wireless earphones. But nowadays we have a true wireless earphones trend. So for that, today I've got this Leaf Pods, and it's kind of a very amazing budget alternative to Apple AirPods. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full review of this Leaf Pods earphones. Let's begin. So guys, before starting this video, if you wanna be my friend or just wanted to see behind the scene of this channel, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The handle is TechBuffet. And with that said, let's begin. So first of all, we got this box over here which contains the headphone, which is this case. So this case is inside the box, and we have some extra pair of ear tips as well as ear hooks, some pamphlet and a micro USB cable for charging the case, and we have this another prong to charge the individual earbuds. So yeah, this was the unboxing experience, quite good actually. The box packaging is pretty good, pretty decent, you know. So guys, it's been more than 2 weeks since I've using these earphones as my primary earphones, and now I'm going to give you my full review and my opinions about these earphones. So first of all guys, let's start with the build and design. So as you see, the whole earphone is built with plastic, but the overall plastic quality is pretty fantastic, you know. It's a soft plastic, feels really good, but it attracts fingerprint a lot. And we have this Leaf logo over here, which is not that bad in my opinion. I mean, I don't like logos on any of my product, but guys, believe me, this looks pretty decent in my opinion. I have only one complaint with this case, that they should given us some other type of this opening thing. I mean, this opening thing is not that good in my opinion. Feels cheap in my opinion. Other than that, the whole case built pretty well. Both the earbuds built with plastic and the quality seems pretty fantastic. It's very light, so it does not feel cheap, and it also built with that same soft plastics. Looks and feels very premium in the hand. In terms of looks, I mean, it looks obtrusive in your ear as you see over here. So it looks kinda weird in my opinion as compared to some traditional earphones, but guys, it's a true wireless earphone. It's actually looking better than the AirPods, but yeah, I can say. But I have one complaint about the design, that it is little bit larger than the AirPods, so sleeping with this is very tough. So yeah, please do mind that. Other than that, I don't have any complaint with the design. So now talking about the comfort guys, it is very comfortable, let me tell you that. But you have to select the best pair of ear tips and ear wings for your ear. I mean, it's not as comfortable as some traditional earphones. Those are much comfortable, but this is very comfortable too. It not going to fall easily from your ear. So yeah, that's very good point, you know. But I don't like to wear it more than hour, because continuously wearing it for more than hour, it will definitely hurt your ear, and everyone has different ear, so maybe it will fit you properly. So yeah, please try every ear tip, then decide which one you like. So yeah, then talking about the main thing, which is the most important in the true wireless earphone segment, which is a convenient, because it does not have any cable. So convenient factor is the most important thing here. So I have to say it's very convenient to use, but I would have loved to have a smaller case, because this case is little bit bigger in my opinion as compared to some other cases, because it definitely disturb you while you put this in your pen, because it's very big and chunky. So yeah, but this case has battery inside, so yeah, that's very nice thing. As you know, it's a very small piece of technology, and it's so, let me tell you that while running, jogging and working out, it is not going to fall. Let me show you the shake test of my head. By the way, it is definitely going to hurt my head, but for you guys, I'm doing the shake test. If you found this helpful, then hit that like button please. It will definitely appreciate my effort. So yeah, here we go. 1 2 3. Shit. So yeah, as you see, it's not going to fall easily. So yeah, huge thumbs up from my side for being there in my ear. Yeah, thank you Leaf. Now guys, let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. And here I am quite surprised with it. It offers very balanced sound stage. You get a very amazing mids. I mean, vocals are very crisp in this earphone, and even the highs are really good. But when it comes to lows, or I can say the bass, it's lacking. It has little bit bass, but not very satisfying for the bass head. So if you are a bass head, don't buy this earphone. It does not have that punchy amount of bass, you know. Other than that, the sound quality is pretty fantastic, especially the vocals are very, very awesome in this earphone. Even the sound is good because the isolation is good, so the sound level is good enough too, so no complaints over there. Now, talking about the battery life, which is also a very big pro of this earphone. So each individual earbuds lasts you around 6 to 7 hours of music playback on 70 to 80% volume, which is insane in my opinion. But when you put them inside the case, this case has a battery to charge it thrice. So that is equal to like more than 30 hours, and the whole case takes around 1.5 hours to charge completely. And when you put both the earbuds inside the case and press the charging button, it takes around 1.5 hours to completely charge both the earphones. So yeah, that's very nice. I mean, the battery life of this earphone is pretty fantastic, so no issues whatsoever in terms of the battery life. Now moving to the connectivity, so it has the Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which is amazing. So latency wise, it's not bad. I mean, it has some amount of latency, especially if you consider it for gaming. Don't buy it. Gaming is not the forte of this earphone, but while watching videos, I don't find any delay or something like that. But the connectivity and range is okayish in my opinion. I get around 10 meters of range with this earbud, so yeah, normal range, not that high, you know. But one thing I have noticed that this left one is kind of a master, but you can use both the pair individually in different devices. I mean, so I can use both individually, but when you pair it simultaneously, you just have to turn on both the earphone. They automatically pair with each other. Then you have to connect it with your smartphone very easily. I have some complaints over here with the connectivity department. First is that they does not give the volume indication. Basically, with the help of this right earbud, you can double press to increase the volume, and with the left earbud you double press to reduce the volume. But in other Leaf earbuds, by the way, I have used quite a lot of Leaf earphones and earbuds and headphones. So yeah, in other Leaf headphones, when the volume level reached to the maximum, we get the beep, but in this earphone that beep is missing. So yeah, Leaf, if you are listening, so please add that in this earphones too. So with the help of this, you can summon the Google Assistant by long pressing it. With the help of this, you can redial the last number, and you can play pause with both the earphones. So yeah, both the earphone has a different individual button. So yeah, and talking about the microphone quality, both the earphones has microphone, but when you are talking and both the earphones are connected with the phone, the left one is going to pick your voice. This is one of the best earbuds that I have used, especially in the Bluetooth department, that has transmitted this good amount of voice to the other person, because I have used it while riding inside the helmet. But as I have told you, the sound quality that other person hears is pretty fantastic. So the mic quality of this earphone is pretty good, but the noise cancellation should be a little bit better as compared to what it is right now, because the other party always say that you have quite a bit of disturbance while I was talking in the market or some other disturbing area where the background noises are very high. So yeah, this is one of the things that I wanted to discuss. Other than that, the sound quality, call quality, fantastic, no issues whatsoever.
So guys, right now you are listening me from the earbuds microphone. I have called my another number and I'm recording this call. As you hear, this is how the microphone sounds, and both the earbuds are in my ears. So yeah, let me know how's the sound quality, how's the microphone pickup quality of this earbuds.
So yeah guys, this was my review of this Leaf Pods earbuds, and I have to say I am totally recommending this. This is one of the best earbuds you can purchase, and by the way, the cost of this earbud is 4,000 rupees. I mean, yeah, it's very nice, and you can use my code, which is tbuffet20. I will leave the link in the description box below. But guys, believe me, even though they have sent this product for the review, but all of the opinion are completely mine. So overall, I can say it is very good product. You can do purchase it. It has very good sound quality. Battery life is superb, no issues. Call quality is amazing. I have only one complaint. It should be little bit comfortable to wear for longer session, and it should be little bit smaller so I can use it while sleeping. I mean on the pillow or something while watching movies in the night or something like that. So yeah, this is one complaint that I have found. Other than that, it's very nice, and I can definitely recommend this earphone with any of my friends. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. If you found this review helpful, then hit that like button and please share this video with your friends who are looking to purchase any true wireless earphones to buy. So yeah, and guys, if you found my content amazing and valuable, then please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification icon that you found in the description. I mean, there you have a red subscribe button. Please press that. Then after that, press that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos in the future. By the way, if you have any questions, queries, or suggestion that you want to tell me, then please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will definitely try to answer that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.